Hi, in front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!